Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best laundry basket cabinet is probably one of the most practical and stylish solutions for keeping your laundry area tidy and organized, transforming a cluttered space into a serene sanctuary. Imagine a world where dirty clothes are neatly tucked away, out of sight, and your laundry room or bedroom remains impeccably clean and aesthetically pleasing. This isn't just about hiding hampers, it's about integrating a functional piece of furniture that enhances your home's decor while simplifying your chores. We're diving deep into what makes a laundry basket cabinet a game changer for modern living, exploring its versatility, durability, and design. Number 5. Mind Reader Slim Laundry Hamper with Lid. Maximize your space with this tall and narrow hamper. Its design is perfect for tight areas like bathrooms, closets, and laundry rooms. This hamper holds up to 60 liters of clothes, towels, or linens. It's designed to carry a substantial amount of laundry with ease. Its unique tapered shape is wider at the top and narrower at the base. Please measure your space, including the top width, to ensure a perfect fit. Enjoy a ventilated design that promotes airflow, keeping your laundry fresh. The convenient hinged lid keeps everything neatly concealed. Crafted from durable plastic, this hamper is built to last. Its white finish complements any decor. Whether it's your bathroom, closet, or laundry room, this hamper offers a stylish and practical storage solution. What we like? This hamper boasts an incredibly slim vertical design, perfect for tight spaces. Its generous 60L capacity handles substantial loads, and the included lid keeps everything tidy. If you're looking for a discreet solution for a narrow bathroom or closet, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Perfect size for two, sturdy, it has handles so it's easy to move around. Great quality, nice design and color, sturdy, good quantity of space for laundry, nice slim design. This hamper is great. It is sturdy and has a good capacity for clothing. We love the slick design. Fits perfectly in our very small bathroom. Number 4. VASAGLE Laundry Hamper with 2 bags UBLH201B01. Tired of laundry piling up? This hamper makes sorting simple with 2 spacious compartments, each holding 12.1 gallons. Keep your clothes organized with ease. Need extra space? The top shelf provides a convenient spot for organizing or displaying items. Its slatted design also promotes airflow to reduce odors. Laundry day just got easier. The removable bags, supported by plastic panels, detach effortlessly thanks to hook and loop fasteners. Simply take them out to wash. Built to last, this hamper features a robust metal frame and a strong shelf that supports up to 44 pounds, water-resistant bags and adjustable feet ensure stability. Its versatile design makes it a great addition to any space. Use it in your laundry room, bathroom, or bedroom to keep things tidy. What we like? This option features 2 compartments for easy laundry sorting and comes with removable, washable bags. The convenient top shelf offers extra space for organizing. If you appreciate the ability to separate lights and darks effortlessly and need a bit of extra surface area, consider this one. What people say. Setup was very simple, and it is very stable and sturdy even when full of laundry and with items on the top shelf. The drawers slide out very easily and keep the laundry out of sight in an elegant manner. For over a year it's held up against her antics and still looks and works as new. The wood is nice and this is easy to assemble. Easy to move around when rearranging. The metal stays together nicely and is very sturdy. Number 3. VASAGLE 3-bag laundry sorter UBLH301B01. Tired of laundry day chaos? This innovative hamper makes sorting a breeze with 3 distinct compartments. Keep your whites, colors, and delicates perfectly separated. Need extra space? The top shelf provides a convenient spot for organizing detergents or displaying decor. Its slatted design also promotes air circulation, reducing odors. Say goodbye to dirty hampers. Each bag easily detaches for washing, thanks to simple hook and loop fasteners. A sturdy bottom panel ensures they maintain their shape. Crafted with a robust metal frame and durable MDF, this unit is built for stability. The water-resistant bags and adjustable feet ensure it stands strong, supporting up to 55 pounds on the shelf. Its sleek design, combining rustic brown and ink black, complements any room. Perfect for your laundry room, bathroom, or bedroom, it brings both style and function. What we like. With 3 compartments for superior laundry sorting and removable, washable bags, this hamper makes laundry day a breeze. It also includes a handy top shelf and a robust metal frame for stability. If you have a larger household or simply love to keep your laundry meticulously sorted, this is the ideal pick. What people say. Setup was very simple, and it is very stable and sturdy even when full of laundry and with items on the top shelf. The drawers slide out very easily and keep the laundry out of sight in an elegant manner. For over a year it's held up against her antics and still looks and works as new. The wood is nice and this is easy to assemble. Easy to move around when rearranging. The metal stays together nicely and is very sturdy. Number 2. StorageWorks Fabric Storage Bins. These storage bins are built to last. With a strong metal frame and reinforced base, they stand tall and keep their shape, even when empty. They offer ample space to store a variety of items. Keep your clothes, blankets, toys, and more neatly tucked away. Lifting and relocating these bins is a breeze. The comfortable PU handles are securely attached, making them easy to carry without worry. Perfect for any space in your home, these bins work wonders on shelves or in closets. They help declutter bedrooms, living areas, and dorms alike. Need to save space? These bins fold flat easily for convenient storage. They assemble in a flash whenever you need them. Crafted from natural fibers, these baskets bring a touch of simple elegance to your home organization. What we like. These fabric bins offer a sturdy structure with easy carry handles and a clever collapsible design for space-saving storage. They are perfect for organizing clothes, toys, or linens. If you need versatile storage solutions that can be tucked away when not in use, these are a great option. What people say. They're sturdy, look great, and come in a variety of sizes that make organizing easy. Impressive, sturdy support with wire. Nice quality fabric, not thin. Super durable and heavy-duty tote. Love it. We have one for toy living room storage and holding blankets in my son's closet. We'll be getting more. It holds a good amount of stuff in there too. I have several baby blankets and swaddles in this bin. I love how the metal holders stay inside, keeping it to prevent folding or being flimsy. It's perfect. Number 1. StorageWorks Wicker Basket, Medium, Natural. Discover the beauty of handwoven craftsmanship. Each basket is meticulously braided by skilled artisans for a neat and elegant appearance. Made from durable water hyacinth, these baskets support a sustainable lifestyle. Enjoy long-lasting use with renewable natural fibers. One basket, endless possibilities. Use them to store books, towels, or snacks in any room, bringing organization and beauty to your home. Transport items with ease thanks to the built-in handles. They offer a comfortable grip and sturdy support for carrying anywhere. Designed for reliability, these baskets feature a sturdy metal frame. You can count on them for consistently strong and durable performance. Please note that due to the handwoven nature, slight variations in size may occur. This adds to the unique charm of each piece. What we like. Crafted from beautiful, handwoven water hyacinth, this basket brings a natural, elegant touch to any room. It features sturdy built-in handles for easy transport and a durable metal frame. If you're seeking an eco-friendly and stylish storage solution that adds warmth to your home, this is the one for you. What people say. The cabinet is very sturdy and well-made, with a durable finish that resists scratches and moisture. It has a large capacity, easily holding multiple loads of laundry, and the adjustable shelves inside allow for customizable storage. The design is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into my bathroom decor, and the doors close quietly with a soft close mechanism. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.